Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and telling you the approximate value of my September Ipsy glam bag. Yup, it's October. I am very behind and I'm very sorry. Ipsy's theme for the month of September was Who is Going to Stop Me? And the bag is this cute kind of denim-y feeling black bag, cute little gold accents with a little gold pull, and of course little eyelashes in white. I think this is just a kind of cute little statement bag, and I can definitely see myself using this in the future to just throw in my purse with makeup, so I really like this bag. The first product that I got is this Brazilian Bod Buff by Sol de Janeiro. If you remember a couple of months ago in my Sephora Play box, I actually got their Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream has Brazil nuts in it, as one would expect. So even though this product, the Brazilian Bod Buff, doesn't actually seem to have Brazil nuts in it like the Bum Bum Cream, I'm hesitant and nervous about using it, so I have not used it, and I will give it to somebody who will use it and will not die if there actually still is Brazil nuts in it. Next up is this little Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later face primer. It's supposed to be mattifying. I do like it. It's a nice face primer. I don't love the smell. It's like chalky toothpaste. I don't know. It's not terrible. It's not overwhelming. The smell is kind of weird, and it is definitely not my favorite mattifying face primer, but I will use the rest of this. Now, when I was trying to figure out the approximate value for this little sample, I found out something kind of weird. Elizabeth Mott sells the face primer on Amazon for about $15, and it is the full size. And then if you try to buy the full size face primer from the Elizabeth Mott website directly, the price turns to $30. So I don't understand why it's the same size product for double the amount. I just don't understand that. So I calculated the value of this based off of the $15 on Amazon, because the $30 is super weird. So it's worth about $2.05. Next up is this Lexy brush. This is the Lexy 140 Detail Tapered Blending. Now, this is Wonder Woman themed, so it kind of feels like they're just throwing us stuff that they haven't sold yet, because Wonder Woman was forever ago and it didn't do that great, and so obviously not a lot of people are going to have to have a Wonder Woman brush. So obviously this was just given to us because they didn't sell them out and they're like a limited edition thing. Whatever. Not a huge fan of that, but I do really usually enjoy Lexy brushes. This brush is made very well. It is super nice. It is so soft. My only issue is that it is very pointy, so it doesn't do a great job of blending. And then the other issue is that I have small eyes, so for me this is literally like my entire eye right here, so it doesn't do a great job of makeup for me. And then the other thing is that this is actually worth about $20, and I don't know if I would say it's worth $20, so there's that. Next up is this Douche Free Matic Bronzer in the shade 2 Sunbeam. I am not wearing this currently. It doesn't look too bad in the package, in the pan, but when you actually apply it, it has kind of like a weird greeny yellowy undertone, so it really makes me look jaundiced and not bronze. It just emphasizes my pale, sad skin. So I don't love this. I might give it to somebody who might actually be able to use it, or I'll just continue to use it as a eyeshadow, although the color payoff for the bronzer isn't great, so I don't think using it as an eyeshadow will work. So I just really am not a huge fan of this product. The other thing that I don't love about the Douche brand and their products is that they don't post the net weight for their products on their website, so it's basically impossible to calculate how much their little sample sizes are, because unlike the Free Matic shadows, this is definitely not a full size of the Free Matic bronzer. The full size of the Free Matic bronzer is almost $38, something like that. So this is not a $38 amount of product. There is no way. So I did a little digging, and it looks like people are selling this on Poshmark and Mercari for about $5, so I'm just gonna say it's about $5. And then last but not least is this Tracy Mini Lip Glaze in the shade Mumbai Magenta. Now, I am wearing this right now. It is kind of a pretty color. It is a little dry, and it doesn't go on quite as smoothly as I would like. It's kind kind of patchy. You definitely have to work at it a little to build it up, and the color does not last for as long as I would like, but it is a pretty color, so I'm kind of torn. I'm always really torn on Tray Steak products. I really don't like any of them except that one cream highlight stick that I got like forever ago, and that's the only one of the Tray Steak products I've liked, so it's just okay. As for approximate value, the full size that you can buy actually comes with a lip primer, so I don't know how much of a difference that would make in how kind of dry and patchy the lip glaze itself is, and I'm kind of disappointed that the mini size does not come with at least a mini lip primer. But this little mini version contains 0.7 grams of lip glaze, and the lip glaze itself in the full size is 0.8 grams, so it's almost the same amount of product. So the value for this is actually pretty good. It's about $9.60. So if you haven't been adding everything up, that brings the approximate retail value of September's Ipsy Glam Bag up to $39.45, which is not bad at all. Even though I didn't love all of the products, I always like trying new things, and it was definitely better than last month, so I am not mad about it. As always, I highly recommend Ipsy, so if you want to try it out for yourself, I will leave my personal referral link down in the down bar. While you're there, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching.